Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to solve this sum in a section of solid. So first we will draw a side view. See, first we have to draw given two views. This will be there in your paper. So I'm taking 45 degree. Now when I'm drawing it, I'm realizing it that it will intersect with the dimensions. So I'm taking it slightly towards left. So I'll be drawing 45 degree again. Yeah, so I'm taking this line. Now draw downwards, like how we draw normal side view. That way you first complete normal side view and we'll complete development, and then we will start with the cut. So I'll do naming A, B, C, D, E. 5 points. This will be A dash, B dash, E dash, and C dash, D dash. In front view, we will write dash. This is a third angle sum. A double dash, E double dash, D double dash, C double dash, and B double dash. I'm drawing a horizontal line from front view. Then anywhere I can draw one vertical line. See. Now I'll take this distance AB and I will cut 5 times. Because all the sides are same. AB is how much? 30. So A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and then E to A. So we got development. We can write capital A, B, C, D, E. And then A to A, right? So we are done with the basic layout. Now we'll see the cut portion. Now see this. If you see this cut plane, there are how many cut points? When you cut at the top surface, you get 2 points. Then on B dash, E dash, you will get 2 points. And on A dash, you will get 1 point. See this. Over here, 0.2, 3, 4, 5. So total you will get 5 points. This is how you will join. This will be hatched. This will be dark. This is the remaining portion. So whatever is the remaining portion will be dark. This I will hatch at 45 degree. This is 1 dash, 2 dash, 5 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Now what I need to do, I need to draw a horizontal line. So I'll draw a horizontal line from 1 dash. From 2 and 5 I will draw a horizontal line. Now we'll mark the points. This is sectional top view. This is front view. Now we will draw a sectional side view. So one will be here, 1 double dash, right? See, on A1, A dash 1 dash. Now this, on B we have 2. So on B double dash you will have 2 double dash, and on E double dash we'll have 5 double dash. Now 3 and 4 you can't project from front view, so you will project from top view. Always remember, whenever you can't project from one view, you have to project from another view. It's like a teamwork. See, so you project this down, wherever it will cut, that is 3 double dash, this is 4 double dash. Join this dark, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, 1 double dash. So when you will join, you will get sectional side view. How this will appear when you cut from, when you will see from side view. Then again we'll do hatching. This will be dotted. So the edge which is behind that you can show dotted. See, these two, C and D will be dotted. So that I have done. So we are done with sectional side view, front view and top view, sectional top view. Now for development, see these points. 1, 2 and 5 we can draw very easily. But what about point 3 and 4? So you take B to 3. And from B you cut it over here. Now we'll take E to 4. It's between ED, right? So take E to 4 and cut. You can do it from D to 4 also. See, you got this point, B to 3 and D to 4 or E to 4, whatever you want. Now you will join all these points. So what you will get? You will get development. Now for TSS, you draw one horizontal line. Now take this distance and you cut. So you'll get these points on that line that you can transfer with compass. See, this is 1 dash, then this is 2 dash, 5 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Then you project this up. And you draw a horizontal line from here. 5, 4. This is 4. This will be 5. This will be 1. This is B, sorry 2, and this is 3. Now we join all these points, so you got TSS, true sectional shape. Now we'll do hatching. So we are done with this sum. So we have done sectional top view, sectional side view, development and TSS. Thank you.